Uh, let's double check on my account again. Wait. Wait. Stop asking! It's, here, I guess. And, well, I, well, it's here again. You guys wanted it. It's here. Are you glad? Okay. Um, anyways. Oh yeah, I'm broke now. Oh yeah, I only have one robot left, and I'm left with this beautiful avatar. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna wait and just, yeah. Alright, just after a few seconds, now we're going to party place. Or palace. Yes! The classic music! Yes! Okay, I should stop. Oh yes. Alright. Uh-oh. Anyway, oh no, everyone, we should get inside. We should get inside. No. This is fine. Uh, oh, yeah, we're supposed to stop. Uh-oh. My health is going. Oh yeah, I'm a human. Not a wolf. I could be a wolf. Eh. You know, I'm kind of bored of everyone being here. You know what I should do? To kick them all out. Ah! Oh, people are still here, but whoa! I did not expect this. Should we? I um, I am impressed. What should I choose? Oh, paintball thing. I get these items for free. Yo! Yum. What should I do? What's this? What's this item? This weird. Oh, it's not teleporting. Why? Why? Oh, okay. Yay! Whoa. 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 This is. Yeah? Okay, then. I should get a lift. Are you kidding me? Oh well. I can teleport back. Oh. Okay. What's in here? What's. Oh. No. happy home. The beautiful home I've always been dreaming for. Oh yeah, this is a Robloxian home. How did I forget? From 2 years. No, I mean 3 years. Because it's 2020. I will upload twice. Just a reminder. Oh noes. I can dodge everything. Okay, da 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 da. Okay. Flash flood. There we go. Okay. Wow. I should get up here. Yoo-hoo! Wait, is that ice? No. No, it's not. Okay. Bounce. Oh no. Oh no. I need this. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Casually touches. Okay, guys, I'm not actually cheating. This is like a separate game that somebody hacked. And now it's got everything you need. Oh. Is anything out of this spawning? Oh, okay. Heights School. Not really my favorite, but it sure plays. Okay. Get it. I need to get up here and shine as stars gleam. Okay, right. Nothing is perfect the way it is. Wait, what's up here? What's actually up? Whoa. It's just it's just like a meadow. It's a meadow. Not really what I was hoping for. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I need to get inside. E E E E E. Should I just like what am I doing? The reason I'm here is because of Ethan Gamer TV. Thanks for his existence. Oh, I should jump. Okay, everybody's. Okay. Every time I look up, I like change direction. Okay. Maybe I activated the wrong machine and it made everyone still join, but I did the thing where you just get everything for free. Fly up in the air. Ow. Oh my gosh. Okay. What's this? Time. Oh. Uh. School. All right. We're going for high school again. Oh, so that's what the timer thing does. We vote for the next map. Okay. Okay. Bounce up into the air. Oh, noes. Okay. I should bounce. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, no, no. Oh. Please don't tell me I'm gonna die. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me. Bark. Whoa! I'm flying in the air. At the bird. At the bird. I thought that's a joke for a minute. Sorry if that's a dead meme. I just like a. Don't go harsh on me, okay? Ah, ah, ah. Stop! Stop it with the. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe if you want to. And see you next time. Bye! Oh, wait. There's another episode coming up on the same day. Ha 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 ha.